Hope I don't die first.
Yo, we could do power.
Yeah, do that. Well, we're kind of gonna end up like Flame's gonna end up over there. Flame's gonna end up like here.
Yeah, we can long jump there. That's gonna be no problem. There's gonna be mad people jumping there, but they're gonna all go to lift.
All right, prophecy, fucking. God damn it, prophet.
Nostradamus. I'm going to the bigger building.
I don't see any. I don't see any.
Good shit, boys.
Holy shit.
I just found like 3 energy drinks. And a first aid kit. I ain't got shit else. Yo, this is loot madness for sure right now.
Mm-hmm.
Loot madness!
Pretty sure Ashley just heard that.
Nuh-uh. Am I on speaker?
Nah, no, you're not.
Jesus, dude, don't do that.
Yeah, we got a car just north of there.
Are they coming to us, or?
I'm trying to see.
If they're coming to us, we'll light them the fuck up then.
Yeah, with our Christmas lights, because we ain't got no weapons.
I got weapons. Oh, I got a UMP.
Where's the fucking SKS, you liar?
I got it.
Wait, you took it?
Oh, snap.
Bet. Word. Guess I won't give you this suppressor.
Car 98. Hey. Oh, I got a shotgun if anybody wants that.
Yo, hey, we got a car running up on us right now. Northwest.
They're right into us?
Yes.
Okay. Going up on the roof with the car 98.
It's just one person. He just wrecked this car.
Ooh. Ooh.
Get him?
God damn it.
Hold on.
He's on the car.
Sounds like you guys are pretty bad.
Got her. Headshot.
Her.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Good
Still a
shit.
woman?
Yup.
That's fucked up, but it's awesome. Damn, we're right in the middle of the circle. Yo, we should post up. Holy fuck. Alright,
Saw
have
that
you guys
spot.
seen this?
Saw
Yeah.
that spot, bro.
Have you
Let's
seen
do
that
it.
spot? Oh, dude, imagine people come in here thinking they're gonna get loot and shit. Oh my god. Yo, alright. Alright. Follow us up here. I'll show you exactly where it is.
It's our fucking moment.
When you see this spot, you are gonna shit yourself. Like,
Mainly because you might fall the fuck off and die, but after that, yeah.
this is the most OP spot in the entire game that I've seen so far. This is like the perfect time for us to use this, though. We're gonna be sitting here for a while, but I'm good on loot if you guys are good.
I'm good too.
Yeah.
Well, look at this. You ready?
Oh fuck.
Guys.
We'll be okay.
Yeah. Kinda, sorta.
Look at this spot, dude.
I don't know. I feel like I'm bad luck when this shit happens.
Just hug the corner, hug the wall.
You literally can't lose in here. Look at this.
Oh my.
Car above us.
Yep.
Oh, they're on Pride Rock. They're on Pride Rock.
Shit.
Yo, they're checking to see if there's anything left. It's a bike. Don't fucking move. Are they trying to bait? Or are they shooting at somebody else they see?
They're shooting at someone else. They don't know where we are. Can you get him?
I see him, but don't shoot. Don't give away our position.
Yeah, here's a red dot. Max, do you need a red dot?
Don't take the shot. What the fuck is he? Probably shooting backwards, like.
You shooting the vehicle down there?
Oh, he is.
Yeah.
Interesting. Probably.
Yo, they think that we're
wouldn't-
down there.
Yeah. No, nothing.
Just wait, yeah. Wait for them to go in the mid, because they're gonna go down there.
Eventually, yeah. Why are you so far out, bro? God damn it. They rode up in a bike, so I think it's 3 of them.
I think they kind of got the same idea as us.
Yeah, but they're on the outside, so they're scoping down the inside of the quarry when we're just chilling in this fucking pee hole, you know. I hear a dune buggy or another vehicle. It's distant. What the fuck? Y'all are making so much fucking noise.
I can't get over there.
Another vehicle's coming up.
There.
Dude, that circle's gonna end up on lib.
Yeah, I think you're right. You guys want to move, or do you want to wait?
Let's wait.
Yeah, so wait it out.
Wait till the other circle is determined, and then we can move.
I can't believe they fucked our car.
Of course they did.
Oh, I see him. Left side.
In the hole?
No, they're up around the side there. You see him running?
How many snipers do we have?
I got shot.
Just take it.
Take it. Got your ass.
Killed.
Good job, guys.
Prone, go prone, go prone, go prone. Hide in the hole. They have no idea where the fuck we're at.
That guy was like, "Oh fuck, I'm so fucked."
Good catch on that.
I'm moving up.
Max, go with them. Let's go.
Shit, we gotta move. I can't move. Fuck.
Yeah, it's hard to get out of this spot. So... Oh shit, I got shot.
Where's it coming from?
They're to the right.
Yeah, there.
I only got shot once though. Right above us. Right above us.
I gotta go
210.
back and around.
210.
Keep crawling. I got you.
Can't move.
Shit, they're gonna move on us. Oh god, Josh.
Don't shoot at me, please.
Yeah, someone needs to run out, draw their fire, and we can get them then.
Yeah, me too. I got a grenade. I'm throwing it.
Do it.
Back the fuck up.
That's a frying pan, dude. It's not a grenade.
You done big?
Spread out.
Ooh.
Go, 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 go. Fuck are they? I don't see them. Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, the only thing is it sucks getting out of that spot. Alright, guys, we gotta move soon.
Shit.
Actually, we gotta move like now.
We gotta go right now.
Yep.
Just run near me. Shots right. Who's that behind us?
I see him.
Gosh, shoot.
Watch where you see him,
I see him, yeah.
Hit him. Back up, back up, back up. Keep backing up, Max. Got him.
Got him.
Keep backing up, Max. Keep backing up. I think that was the last one.
Was it?
I'm gonna gamble.
Heal him, heal him, heal him. I'll cover you, I'll cover you.
Yeah, we got you
I
guys.
think that was the last one. He just died instantly.
Alright, yeah, that's the last one. We gotta go. We gotta go, guys.
Damn, good job.
Come this way, Max. Shit. It's moving. It's moving.
Painkillers are right here by me. Bandage, too. Alright.
Here, I'm gonna drop the first aid right here. Okay. Got it. Go, 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 go.
I looted that guy as much as I could. Let's go, Max! Woo!
Run.
You'll make it, Max.
Taking a painkiller.
Shit.
Damn, this circle's heavy though.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, there's a motorcycle. How many people can get on that?
Does they have
3.
a sidecar? Oh shit, there's one here too.
Pick me up, pick me up.
I already got one.
Fuck.
Did you get shot?
No, I fell off the bike. Oh, they shot at. Fuck. I'm down. I'm down. Oh, I'm
Hit.
so fucking dead. I'm
Hit.
dead.
I don't know where they're shooting from. I gotta heal up.
Fuck, yeah, I gotta heal up too. I'm so fucked.
Yo, I see him. Oh, that's a butterfly. Never mind. Oh shit, I'm getting shot. I'm dead. Where from? What the fuck?
Yeah, I couldn't find him either. Yeah, I think that shit's coming from the house over there.
Dude, I'm taking the car and going for it.
Josh, there's a guy to your left. Fuck.
Fuck it.
He's off to your right. There he is.
Oh my god.
It must be the houses. Yeah, it's the houses. The houses. Yep.
Alright,
Dropped it on my body.
do you guys need me to come get you?
Oh
fuck. Oh my god, I'm so fucked. I'm down.
no, we don't need you to come.
He's just at the house.
How the fuck? Are you kidding?
Careful,
I
bro.
thought you guys were all dead.
Yo, we need to book it right and just run downhill. You ready? Hold on. Wait for me to pop this smoke. Oh, that's not a smoke. That's a fucking. Go, 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 go. Where you see him? Oh, on the fucking hill. Jesus Christ.
Yep.
Yeah, they're coming out to loot my body actually.
Yo, I have a sniper too. I'm gonna take shots. Fuck it. This is, yeah, this is the way we die.
Shots left.
Wait, where are you taking shots at? Because there's people taking shots at them all. I think. All
Fuck boy shack on your right. There's a guy next to it. No, on your left. On your left.
Oh fuck!
there.
There's so many fucking people.
Oh, he's laying down. Did you get him?
Steal this kill real quick.
Nice shot.
Alright. We missed this. There's people like behind us that were shooting at the people on the. Oh shit! I see him. Oh, you bitch!
Damn, headshot with a Car 98.
Turn west. He's walking down the hill. He's behind that tree. He's back and forth. Dude, yo, come get me while they're distracted. Come on.
No, he didn't get
One
shit.
stayed back, I guess.
You're
Yeah,
pinned
so-
down,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm dead, dude. Fuck. Bollocks.
Damn, we were so close.
That's ass.
You got it. Oh, I was gonna say lead your target. You got him.
I think I have ammo for the SKS on my body.
You got 25 seconds, so just so you know. Oh, he's just looking to get kills before he dies.
I have ammo on my body if you need it.
You got 10 seconds before that circle moves in, though.
And a med kit. I think I have a med kit too. I'm not sure. Run, 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 run.
Oh shit.
Yeah, if you go up on,
Circle's
if you
moving
go up
fast,
that
so
way though,
I'm
you
not
might be
gonna make it.
alright. Yeah,
moving
yeah,
fast.
circle's too fast.
And it's gonna be a heavy hitter.
Oh yeah, you're fucked.
Oh.
GG. Yeah, don't even try to use a bandage. That shit is just delaying the inevitable. You went out shooting.
Good game, boys.
Yeah, that was good. I'll end on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, top 20, sure. I'll take it.